I'm all right, yeah.
Bilston Sunday Market has been a popular destination in the Black Country for generations and remains one of the largest and busiest outdoor markets in the West Midlands. Every Sunday, it attracts visitors from across the region who come looking for bargains, fresh produce, and the lively atmosphere that traditional markets are known for. In recent years, the market has undergone a major transformation, turning what was once a tired and dated site into a modern, welcoming shopping destination. The redevelopment has introduced contemporary market stalls, a large canopy to provide protection from the weather, brighter lighting, improved walkways and better facilities for both traders and visitors. The new layout is more spacious and accessible, making it easier for families, wheelchair users, and those with pushchairs to explore the market comfortably. Although the appearance has changed dramatically, the market has retained the character that has made it a local favourite for decades. Visitors can still browse a huge variety of stalls selling fresh fruit and vegetables, clothing, footwear, tools, household goods, plants, toys, gifts, antiques, and a wide range of everyday bargains. Street food vendors and refreshment stalls also add to the bustling atmosphere, making it a great place to spend a Sunday morning. The improvements are about more than just appearance. They are designed to secure the future of Bilston Market by attracting new traders, increasing visitor numbers and supporting the wider regeneration of Bilston town centre. With its blend of modern facilities and traditional market spirit, Bilston Sunday Market continues to be one of the West Midlands' best places for bargain hunting and an important part of the area's shopping heritage. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the tour.
Get his carpet gone, 2 for 1/5, sorry. Roll.
Dodge it around like
I got 5 Yeah, quick time. See if they put it in the deal. They
No concern.
Kerry, well, boy. Songs there for the morning.
Turtles with the chocolate.
put a pound like
No, you don't.
Is that all it says?
Yeah, I know.
I can't hate you, right?
Down there, will you? Down my WhatsApp.
If I'm not scared.
You know, I'm more available as well.
Please bring there straight to the side. You have to help us outside.
So, pinched all the covers.